is he? Let's go see if he's here. Call his name.
Dada?
Mm-hmm.
Mama.
Daddy.
Dada. Daddy.
Where is he?
Mama.
Say, I don't know. I don't know.
Dada. Yeah, Dada. Yeah, Dada.
Is he out there?
Yeah, Dada.
Where's Adeline? Where's Adeline? Say, Adeline! Mommy! Daddy!
Daddy.
Nobody's here. Oh well. Are you okay?
Yeah, I didn't.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
You sure?
Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah, just like Mama.
Maya!
Mia.
Maya!
Dada.
Daddy?
Oh.
Go look in his office. Go look in his office.
I.
Yeah, go look in the office.
Yeah.
I'll go with you. Let's go look in Daddy's office.